Hello guys, welcome back to Hari Academy. This is your faculty Sudarshan and this is our day 19th video in our tips and tricks series regarding mathematics and statistics. So in this video, we are going to see about the serious question. Okay, not serious question, it is series question. Okay, the sum of the series of 9, 5, 1, 200 terms they are asking. They are asking about the sum. When they are asking about the sum, it is simply means nothing but series. When it is a series, there are two things, whether AP series or whether it is GP series. You need to identify the differences. Okay, 5 minus 9 is what? Minus 4. 1 minus 5 is what? Minus 4. So there is a plus or minus. So I will identify my entire sequence will be in the form of AP. When it is, I am identify it is in AP, I will use this formula. Sum of series is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is an actual method. If you remember the formula, you can apply this method. Okay, so S100 is equal to 100 by 2. A, I will take my first value 9 and I will take a common difference as minus 4. N is my 100. Then I will apply. It will get to this entire distribution will comes to 50. 2 into 9 will becomes 18. 100 minus 1 into minus 4, that is 99 into minus 4, minus 396. So my final value will be like this. Minus 18,900 is my value. So I will go with option A. What is the trick here? Whenever you come across the series, first thing, take a calculator, take this simple calculator, you will use the simple calculator. First, this is a calculator trick you are going to use. In this calculator trick, first, let us understood A plus equal to, we are keep the value in the memory. Okay, we are keeping the value in the memory. Press 9 plus equal to what value, when this step is done, what value it will shows in a calculator? It will shows 9. In the corner, it is shows 3. It means when for my first term, it shows 3. When it is a first term, it shows 3. Okay, then I will go for my second step. My D here is minus 4. Okay, just simply press minus 4 equal to. Minus 4 equal to, you will get with 0, 6 when it is your second term. When it is your second term. Okay, it will show 6. How many terms you need here? 100. For the second term, if it is shows 6, it is a difference of plus 4. Correct? Then if it is 100, you need to press up to 104 in your calculator. You need to press up to equal to for 104 times when this corner comes to 104. Keep on pressing. This trick will apply. I am also continuously pressing. Meantime, I am talking to you. This trick will apply. If trick will be easier for them, those who could not able to remember the formulas. Once I press 104, that is minus 387, it shows it's not my answer because they are asking the sum. We need to press GT button. Finally, press GT button. What value it will shows? Exactly, it will shows minus 18,900 is your value. This trick, again I will say, this trick will be suitable for them, those who could not able to remember the formulas. If you are able to remember the formulas, it is well and good. It is appreciated. Okay, I hope this trick will be able to solve your problem. Okay, by keep this trick, you can apply the same thing for any kind of series and get your answers. You can try it on your own. This is for sum of series regarding AP, arithmetic progression. For more updates, stay tuned with the YouTube channel. In the description below, I have given my number. Any doubts, you can WhatsApp me, or any class related queries, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, I will be able to solve your queries whenever I will see in your messages or see in your email. Email ID also been shared to you. You can use both emails and social medias. You can WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.